Good news to you, my people. This is me reporting live from Ngopala, Zion City. Zion City. In fact, what my eyes is seeing here, if there is a word that can be used, there is a different word that can be used than using massive, than using the word this is massive. I think, in fact, not I think, that is the word that's supposed to be used. You know, I've been watching this online, but right now I am live at Ngopala. In fact, the grace that is upon Evangelist Ebuka Obi of Zion Prayer Movement Outreach is not that kind usual grace. In fact, this grace is more than using the word massive. In fact, this place, this is the kind of grace that anyone that wants to be great will be connected to. Just imagine, look at, this is not the usual. In fact, Zion Prayer Movement Outreach is a movement. Look at, this is Ngopala, Zion City, live 2025. Wherever you are you in the east, west, north and south, start coming now. Start coming. The God of Ofucharafancha, Omecharafancha, is waiting for you. Start coming. Everywhere good, past goodness. Everywhere is good more than goodness. Start coming. Peace and love. Yeah, good news to you, my people. This is Evangelist Godwin reporting live from Ngopala, Zion City, 2025. See how beautiful this edifice is, and this is just a restaurant. In case of some of you, some of you that are looking for a good place to eat your food, as a recommend a good place to eat my food. Now, this is a place for you to eat your food. I'll be taking you inside so that you can view a beautiful edifice used for restaurants. Such a magnificent edifice at Ngopala, Zion City. As you can see, a very beautiful edifice. In case you want to break your fasting, look at the chairs. Beautiful edifice. Beautiful edifice. Look at the edifice. Look at, as a king and queen of Zionite, look at the way they put the chairs, as queen and kings. And the good thing about this restaurants is that the food is very, very much affordable. Very, very, very much affordable. Very, very much affordable. The way they put the share, you see it that they organize the share because they know that we the Zionites, we are king and we are queen and we are princess. Look at it. Look at the view from very beautiful restaurants in Zion City,
located in Ngopala. So, for those of you worrying about if I come to Zion City in Ngopala this 2025, where will I be eating a better food? Got you cover. So it's located at inside Zion City. Look at the chairs, very beautiful, and they have very beautiful people attending to customers here. This is what the customer enjoying his meal, you know. He's enjoying his meal. So let me just ask this our brother enjoying his meal, how the meal look, the taste. Good afternoon, sir. Please, can you just tell us how this meal?
Very fantastic.
Wow.
The meal is nice.
Wow.
You know, this is the first time, and this is the first time they are opening here. So, as you can see, I'm enjoying it.
Wow.
Very well. So it's okay.
This one is afang soup, as you can see. This is afang soup, very very fresh and very very affordable. Very very fresh and very very affordable.
You heard yourself. He says he's enjoying it. The people serving here, as you can see, these are workers, look like those working in the airplane. You know, it's also working in plane. That is how they are dressed here. They dress very well. So if you are coming, just rest assured that where to have a good meal is inside the complex. Where to have a good food, all kind of food is here, and it's very very affordable. All kind of food and very very affordable. Any kind, whether rice, whether swallow, is here. In case you want to break your fast, all kind of food is here. Look at the ambience, the beautiness. Used as a restaurant, all kind of food is here. Very very affordable. So wherever you are coming from, be rest assured that what to eat will not be. So this beautiful edifice, this beautiful mansion, this beautiful white house used for restaurants, just to make the Zionite eat comfortable in this 2025 closing of 100 days fasting and prayer, is located inside the Zion City. It's located inside the Zion City. The last white building, the last white building. These are customers coming in to take their meal. The last white building inside Zion City is the white last building before you get to the auditorium. So in case you are inside the auditorium and you want to take your meal, so the last white building is a white building, white mansion is the last white building. If you are coming from the gate, from the express, you will see it, the white last building before you get to the auditorium of the auditorium. So this is the building. So worry no more. If you are looking for a nice and fantastic place to have your meal in this 100 days program. So see you guys in my next video. I love you. God love you most. Thank you very much.